Here is my freezer, and I must say I absolutely love this freezer because not only is it really deep and it can take lots of stuff, but I'm ready. So I've got bread. I've frozen pretty much everything. Cooked some yam, frozen some yam. Got some big batch of jollof rice and I've frozen that in batches. Some milk, mushrooms, just all in batches, fresh veg, and I've then frozen those. Lots of bread so that we don't keep running out of bread. Put into portions, little bags. We're going to be good. Then at the bottom of our fridge, we have this extra place called My Zone. This ice has been in here for about a week and it's still frozen, as you can see. Can you see? Yeah, I'm so glad I bought this fridge. And then we've got the next section, which is where all the good stuff's at. We've got the meat, the salmon, the steak, portioned up the oxtail into little bags. Hi. Even got a leg of lamb, and the children, you can't miss the children. My husband's ice cream. But yeah, feeling really blessed. And again, really deep freezer, lots of food. Can't wait to have my family over for dinner again.